Good evening everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we are... Whoa, that made a good start. Welcome to a brand new video everyone, hope you're all well. We are here in the Lake District in this beautiful, beautiful spot. You have myself, Harry, Freddie. Harry's just made this for me and him. We got here this afternoon, so we've been here a few hours. Earlier we did some jumps off this bridge down here.
Yes.
Yo. If you can see there, Jake's got his Johnny Todger out. I'm just here making some burgers. You know what they say? Burgers won't make themselves. Burger number 2 for me. Alright, Freddie. Looks like you had an accident on your towel as well. You alright, Jake? Off pub in a minute once we've had our second lot of burgers, so should be nice. Down there you can see Jake's hammock, I think. Jumped off that, a couple of backflips. What you can't see is there's a lot of midgies around. Look, right, you can see 2 there. They're little bastards. But they're not getting me. They're getting me flipping in my ear. So I think we're gonna, get about 8 pints deep and just avoid them in the pub. It should work, shouldn't it, Fred? Yeah, big fan, yeah. POV shot, yeah, it should work. Alright, see you later. Good morning guys, it is approximately 7:30 in the morning. I've just woken up and Harry and Fred are still asleep. I camped in the hammock just here. It was a little bit scary at some point. It was also really awkward when I needed to get up for a wee. This video is just going to be a little vlog of this weekend. We've come up to the lakes to do some wild swimming before Harry goes back home to Cambridge. This was a really sweet spot to camp at. The weather's beautiful, it's going to be a good weekend. Thank you, Freddie. Yeah, boy. That's for. Said you don't want my help. You don't really do. Go on, get the instructions. Well, it's red for the red thing.
Oh, I remember.
Four minutes and 8 seconds.
Imagine we just frizzed it into there.
Good job, bro.
Cheers, man. Packed up little polo and we're ready to go. Packed up little polo and ready to go.
Welcome to Tongue Pot. Just got here and it's a bit chilly. I mean, the water is very, very chilly. Just going to scout some of the jumps out and then see what happens.
Jake, it's definitely deep enough. Like, could you stay in it? Yeah. Right, go on then, Jake. Just what shoes would have been.
So,
Oh man, I just don't want the cold water.
it'll be alright.
Sense it.
Pretty chilly now, but it's still quite warm for me. Kind of hard one-handed. Down. the hell? That is nuts. Flipping it. Absolute madman. That is crazy. That is bonkers. Jake, what is wrong with you?
I said I'm not a professional.
Yeah. Freezing. This pool is sick though. So we came to Tongue Pot, which is down there around the corner, and that's where Freddie did the flip off the thing and me and Jake jumped off it. But then here, this is the sickest water, like so clean, and underneath it's so deep as well. Jake's popped a dive off there, I belly flopped on a backflip. Really nice, but it's quite nicky now, so but still quite warm. I think we're going to try and chase the sun back and find somewhere to sleep. Me and Jake having sausage pasta tonight, aren't we?
Yeah, big time. But if you're ever in the Lake District on a sunny day and want to dip,
yeah, Tongue Pot's down there, so if you go there then just walk upstream, you'll find it, won't you, Jake? Anyway, battery's about to die, see you in a bit.
yeah.
About walking back to the car now, see you in a bit. Yeah, see you later. Thanks, bye. Just here with Jake, just been wiping him down, haven't I? Because it's quite cold. It gets cold, this one.
So Harry up there, Harry's like, oh yeah, we're just gonna walk back to the car, and then came to this bit, and Fred was like, eyeing up, jumping from like just kind of where that tree is. So then Fred was like, right, you backflip it, depth check for me, and I'll send a front flip 180 over the tree and down. So then I go in, I do the backflip, go to do the depth check, I go down, and like my arms are like here, and it came up, so it was what, like 7 foot,
Yeah.
if that.
Obviously not
so
deep
definitely
enough.
not deep enough for Freddie to jump.
Bearing in mind, Jake and me just literally got dry from going in that other pool.
Yeah.
And I'm freezing, so.
The only reason I went in was because I kind of wanted to see Freddie do the brownie, and then went in, did flip, checked the depth, got out. Freddie's like, nah, I'm not going in. Obviously, not deep enough. So yeah, cold, very, very cold.
Cold, that you, Jake?
Yeah, he owes me a backflip off the big cliff. Yeah. Oh, my neck, I'm cold. After I just said up there that Freddie now owes me a backflip because he bailed when I just went in to check the depth for him, which is a good idea because it wasn't deep enough. So well done, Freddie, for getting me to check the depth and for not jumping in when it was too shallow. But we're now back at this spot where we all jumped in. Now he's going to go and hopefully try backflip it. Fingers crossed this goes well.
Right, vlog, gonna pass you over to Jake. He likes speaking on the vlog, so here he is. What's up, ladies and fellas? Just arrived in the Yorkshire Dales. Freddie did the big backflip. Since then, we had some tea last night, obviously, found somewhere to camped out, and then we were gonna go to another spot in the lakes today, but it wasn't that warm and we were all a bit achy because we didn't sleep too well last night. So we just decided to come home, and then on the way home the sun's come out a bit and we were on the way through the Dales, so we thought we'd go to a little spot that we all knew. Oh, just got hit in the face by that tree. That we all knew near Apple Tree Wick. So we're just gonna go for a little dip here. Really cool.
Woo, splash.
Wind. Quite cold. It's quite cold.
Sick. Well, we hope you enjoyed those little videos. Apologies that they were all portrait, but we left the GoPro in the car, so we've been using Harry's phone, and we all wanted to put them on Instagram as well, so we went with portrait. Hope that's okay. Yeah, we'll probably wrap the vlog up there. As always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, yeah, if you actually are interested in like swimming spots or any of the spots we've been to, just drop a comment below, and like we'll try reply with any kind of advice or directions or anything like that. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.